just...
My name is Charles Guiteau.
What line of work are you in?
Politics.
Hello everyone, it's Cineverse. So get your popcorn and let's get right into it. In today's video, we are going to take a look at some of the best new Netflix series which are sure to grab your attention. Netflix has raised the bar with everything from exciting new adaptations to creative original dramas. Whether you are looking for high-stakes adventures, twisted comedies or riveting period drama, Netflix offers something for you. So let's get started with the best shows of the year so far that have had fans talking about them. Number 8. The Beast in Me.
Why are you here?
Did you kill her?
What do you think?
Niall?
But I didn't kill my wife. People just want gossip and carnage.
You want to be re-legitimized. I can offer a new narrative.
It is a psychological thriller created by Gabe Broder. Claire Danes plays the armed author Aggie Wicks, while Matthew Rhys plays her new neighbor, charming real estate tycoon Niall Jarvis, who was the main suspect in his wife's abduction. As Aggie gets fascinated with discovering the truth about Jarvis' history, the story devolves into a sinister game of cat and mouse involving secrets, psychological conflict and power struggles. With showrunner Howard Gordon and a stellar cast including Whitney Snow, Natalie Morales and Jonathan Banks, the series teaches superior writing, ambient tension and deep emotion. Number 7. Monster, the Ed Gein story.
Only a mother could love you.
When I look back upon my life,
it is a biographical crime drama anthology series created by Ryan Murphy and Ian Brien for Netflix. The series explored the real-life story of Ed Gein, a Wisconsin hardware store owner and grave robber whose disturbing crimes in the 1950s revealed his obsession with his deceased mother, leading him to commit murder and create gruesome objects from human remains. The story culminates in the discovery of the mutilated body of a shopkeeper in his home and the subsequent discovery of other body parts and artifacts made from human skin. Starring Charlie Hunnam as Gein, it explored his twisted connection to his mother, his spiral into insanity and the unsettling cultural fallout from his deaths, fusing psychological dread with true crime drama. Number 6. Nero the Assassin.
Je suis le meilleur assassin de la Martinique.
On y va.
It is a period drama miniseries directed by Ludwig Kolwa and Alain Mauduit. The story takes place in the 16th century France and follows a ruthless assassin Nero, who is betrayed by his master, leading him to go on the run with his arranged, newly discovered daughter Pierla, as they face deadly enemies and must navigate a path between vengeance and redemption, forcing him to choose between his own survival or his daughter's safety and potentially the fate of the world. The show explores themes of vengeance and redemption as Nero embarks on his journey with his daughter, and he is compelled to make a difficult choice that will impact not only himself and his daughter, but potentially the entire world. Nero the Assassin is a historical drama with elements of action. Number 5. Last Samurai Standing. It is a 2025 live-action television series adapted from a Japanese manga series of the same name, which is also based on the novel of the same name written by Shogo Imamura, set in 1817 Japan, a decade after the Meiji Restoration ended the samurai era. A mysterious and the lethal battle royal is announced with a 100 billion yen prize for the winner. Lured by the offer, the participants must fight each other in a brutal battle royal that starts in Kyoto and ends in Tokyo, where only the last survivor can win the massive cash prize. The game is set against the backdrop of a struggling and rapidly changing Japan, forcing these warriors into a fight for survival that tests their honor and desperation. The film explored the case of cultures with an American soldier eventually gaining a deep respect and admiration for Japanese culture. Number 4. The Witcher Season 4. It is a fantasy drama television series created by Lauren Comedy Histories for Netflix. Season 4 begins in significant change with elevated consequences as the continent recovers from the aftermath of Season 3. The show involves Geralt, Yennefer, and Ciri navigating a war-torn continent, separated by circumstances and united by their fond families of misfits as they search for each other and attempt to survive their disparate journeys. Number 3. Pat. It is a psychological thriller series that reimagines the high-stake world of gambling with an elite boarding school. The series follows Umeko, a transfer student from Japan who disrupts a boarding school's power structure with her gambling skills challenging the student council while pursuing revenge that could overturn the entire system. As Yumiko navigates the school underground gambling scene, she faces off against cunning opponents each with their own strategies and secrets. Her fearless approach to risk-taking and her ability to read people make her a formidable force, earning both admiration and fear from her peers. Number 2. Death by Lightning. It is a historical drama mini-series created by Mike Muskowski. The series is based on the true story of President James Garfield, the 20th President of the United States, and his ally turned assassin Charles Goodway. The series explored the political climate of the era and the complex relationship between the two men, highlighting how a president who was largely forgotten can have a dramatic story. Number 1. Sirens. It is a dark comedy limited series created by Molly Smith. Based on her 2011 play Elemento P, the series centers on Devon Dwight, who grows more and more worried about her sister Simone and her strained attachment to her new manager, Micella, an enigmatic aristocrat who holds a cult-like grip over Simone. When Devon tries to step in, she is caught up in Micella's lifestyle of luxury and deceit, which makes her views on identity and loyalty questionable. The ensemble cast promises a gripping representation of a complex character by bringing together a mix of established actor and upcoming talent. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos about movies and series suggestions. Thank you.